I'm a patient man and a patient boss. Correct?
Correct.
Correct.
Wait 1 year already for you to improve. For you to rise up. Melvin.
Huh?
You got improve? God? God? God?
God.
God? God in heaven! Looks like I have to teach you myself. Show me what you got.
Get a head start in your career with the SkillsFuture Work-Study Programs.
Nice! SkillsFuture for you.